The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Unclip both sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Unclip the 3 tabs on the filter housing door. Then lift the door to free the bottom tabs from their catch. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the filter door by threading the bottom tabs into their catch first, then press to lock the top. Reinstall the glove box assembly by aligning their tabs with their catch. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box.
For the best price, visit undercarexperts.com and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.